Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday, the 19th of March, 2025, and this is a market update. I want to start off with Bitcoin and give you my thoughts on it, and also reflect on the previous analysis. So we previously said that this was the working range we had at the moment, between 1 and 0, and that a break either of minus 0.2 or 1.2 would be either bullish or bearish. We got that break on the let's see, 26th of February, and that was a clear signal that this is distribution. And then on the Sunday, 2nd of March, Trump with his tweet basically creating an exit for people, insiders, who knows, it's hard to say, but that's what I think happened. So that was the optimum place to de-risk, like that was given by God. Now we are in a clear downtrend. There's nothing bullish about this chart. Obviously this is caused by the trade wars, which we kind of knew that Trump was gonna take, was gonna participate, was gonna start. But honestly, I never thought it would be this bad. So, a couple of targets I'm eyeing at the moment. Just remember, if we are bearish, this doesn't mean that we'll go straight down. I think this is the overall path, so I think we will get there eventually. The destination, let's say, this is the destination. But whether we pump from here and then drop, that still remains to be seen. We have FOMC today. What I have noticed lately is that news don't have such a bullish news, at least don't have such a big impact on the markets, and usually that happens in a bear market condition. So when we are in a bear market, bullish news has minimal impact and bearish news has catastrophical impact. So I am waiting to see what today's FOMC meeting decisions will be, and we'll just take it from there. So as I said, Bitcoin is bearish. Extreme oversold territory was basically here on this capitulation, on this break of the range. And then if we look, another chart I like to see, I like to usually watch, is the USDT dominance chart. This is a chart that a friend of mine pointed out to me, and I have been using it ever since. We are coming into a bit of resistance, so that might be a pump for the markets. Although I will say if this channel breaks to the upside, then we will probably be going to 8%, which basically means for our altcoins that they will go down another 50 to 90%. Quite bad. Total 3, same as Bitcoin. We had the breakdown of the range. I think it came a bit later, on the 9th of March. And looking at this chart at the moment, this looks like a good opportunity to do de-risk as well. Obviously, we are waiting to find out what the news are today with the FOMC, and the thing is, any bullish news that will come out of the Trump administration, and that might be, let's say, them deciding that they're gonna buy X amount of Bitcoin, that will definitely send the markets higher. But if nothing comes out, then I think potentially good place to start de-risking as we move up into the retest of the range lows. And I think this will eventually trade down here at 413 billion, and then possibly at 350 billion, because we already are in the value area of this whole move up. And if you guys follow me for a while, you'll know that I like trading these value areas. And also, once price has been accepted into the value area, the high probability that it will go visit the point of control and the value area low. So that is basically down 50% or maybe even more from here. 31% the point of control and 45% to the value area low. Total 2. So this is the crypto total market cap excluding Bitcoin. Has lost its channel. If you have a look here, last time it lost its channel. Let me take this out. I can do this without snapping, would be nice. So this is quite similar in the sense that, well, this was the exit pump exit tweet. If you have a look at this and you notice that once this channel has been broken, we entered into bear market territory. Now, one thing I will say, I'm not calling for a bear market, but there is a possibility of a bear market coming. And we just have to be ready for that. If you still have positions that you are up on, it never hurts to take profit. Obviously, majority of our coins are down like 80%. So sometimes you might look at it and say, oh, well, there's no point selling now. But just remember, you can go down another 90% from here. So just think about it and make an informed decision. And make sure that is one that you won't regret in the future. Total 3. Basically, more or less the same situation. We rejected, we had a double top right on the previous top from November 21. Now we do have this meme line support over here, but I don't think it is very relevant. But it's good as a first target, and then obviously go lower if we are accepted into this value area. When at the moment it looks like we are trying to bounce from it, but again, conditions are such that the market is not bullish. So when the market is bearish, we are looking at the worst that can happen, and when the market is bullish, we are looking at the best that can happen. One of the coins that moved quite aggressively this week is MAVIA, which, if we look at the bigger picture, MAVIA is down like, at the moment it's down 95% from the highs. So for me, at the moment, in this market conditions, any move up is to be faded. Now, I'm not saying that it needs to be faded from here. I would like to see another push, maybe up into the 88 cents area, where we have a daily level, a daily order block, and the value area high for a push down. What I'm trying to say is, there's a lot of people who bought MAVIA here and here, you know, at $8 or whatever, at $3, and they will be looking to exit. They, well, I think majority have exited, but the rest of them are looking to exit, and they are in max pain territory. Just keep in mind that above this, we have very, very strong resistance. Obviously, this is a VC play. There's some token unlocks coming soon. So my guess is VCs start pumping this coin into the unlocks. Retail gets horny. I've been seeing a lot of tweets on Twitter, and everybody's saying that we're so back. But guys, remember, Bitcoin is not bullish. The market is not bullish. So there's no chance that MAVIA will just out of the blue outperform and go to whatever, $3, $10. remain cautious, and I've seen this so many times happen before. We've seen it with Zeph. If you guys follow me, you see my analysis of Zeph, and basically was almost the same chart. It's just a scam pump, so people can exit. This is exactly what Trump did. And I think at the moment that is all. We can have a look at Ethereum. Ethereum is showing some signs of a breakout, but as I said, because of the FOMC that is today, I am taking all this with a grain of salt, and I won't be trading it. If we are indeed very bullish, then I will be trading a retest, whatever, maybe enter there. Also, I like to use the EMAs 12 and 21, and from my experience, best long trades come once these EMAs flip bullish. Let me just set this to daily. So once this flips green, we will have some nice long trades to be had. Until then, what I'm looking to see is fade every move. Basically, stuff like this. If we get a breakdown, retest, and then go lower. That's all for today, guys. Take care, don't get liquidated. I won't be trading today because of the news. I'm just gonna sit it out and see what the markets bring us. Take care.